हाय एवरीबॉडी, आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र। आई होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग ग्रेट। अगेन अ डे which has been very choppy. Markets have been very volatile. It's not a easy market to trade, but if you understand how to trade the markets, how to trade the index specifically, when it comes about trading near the expiry, trading away from the expiry, all of it, now I understand that you need this assistance during the live market, and I have been giving my best on Telegram. So make sure that you join Telegram. The link for the same is in the description. आज भी हमारा काफी बेहतरीन डिस्कशन हुआ, so I will be taking you through that as well. So without wasting much time, let us get started, guys. Guys, this is our टेलीग्राम चैनल. सबसे पहले आप देखोगे मैंने बैंक निफ्टी के अंदर एक ये पोजीशन बताई. इसमें मैं थोड़ा लेट हो गया बताने में, बट still it gave a decent move on the downside, where I indicated that you should look forward to selling a call option which is 37,600. Not just that, I was also there to guide कि आज वेनसडे है, हमने ऑप्शन सेल करना चाहिए, हमें टारगेट कैसे रखना चाहिए, व्हाट इज द राइट टाइम टू बुक द प्रॉफिट्स. ओवर हियर we discussed how to trail our profits. Correct. If you go further, we were discussing that this is a good point to book the profits. Not just that, agar aap is point pe dekhoge, I shared an image where most people would have gone long over here. Why? It was a very good structure which was being taken out. लेकिन ये एक पैराबोलिक मूव है. पैराबोलिक मूव का मतलब क्या होता है? बेसिकली जब मार्केट में 5-6 कंटिन्यूअस ग्रीन कैंडल्स या रेड कैंडल्स आती है, आप देखोगे यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5, इट इज बाउंड टू फेल. अगर इस तरह की मूवमेंट, ये जो मूवमेंट होते हैं ना, इस तरह के कंटिन्यूअस वन साइडेड मूवमेंट, ये यूजुअली फेल होते हैं. और अगर आप इसको अच्छे से समझ पाओगे तो आप you won't be just able to save yourself from fake breakout, but you will also be able to take a decision on how to profit from such moves. But that would obviously come with time. But first you should learn how to not take such trades, right, when the move is so much parabolic, right? So I hope today's interaction was very helpful. Now let us go and understand what is our view for index tomorrow. So let's go to Nifty Bank first. Guys, as you can see, Nifty Bank is, it's just, it goes up in the first half, then again drop, goes up in the first half, then drops, goes up in the first half, then drops. Now again, obviously, we are looking forward to this particular resistance. If this is taken out, we can expect a strong momentum in Bank Nifty. So again, even though the closing is not very promising, but if tomorrow the market spends some time, and tomorrow is also the expiry, because today was a sideways day, we saw good momentum at the later half of the day. But still, if tomorrow this particular resistance is taken out, we can expect a strong momentum in Bank Nifty. So probably Thursday will be a good expiry. That's what it seems like, considering the price action which has been throughout this entire week, which has been very choppy. So yeah, it's certainly been a very choppy week, not the best week for traders, right? Let's now move forward to Nifty. How does Nifty look? Again, the same structure is playing out in Nifty as well. This particular resistance tested once, twice, thrice, 4 times, and now if this resistance is taken out over here, we can expect a strong momentum in Nifty also on the upper side. Correct. The closing in both the cases has not been very lucrative, but usually the Wednesdays are such. But let's see. And if there is a shorting opportunity in the market, I will be updating you on Telegram. As of now, as per our end of the day analysis, we have marked these levels for going long. Correct. So this is our understanding of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Also, I am now going to help you with, so I get a lot of questions, how to mark the opening range, how to mark the opening range. So let's first go and have a look at all of that, right? So let's go and mark the opening range. Now, the key to marking an opening range is to let's define it by time, right? So time कैसे define करेंगे हम लोग पहले 1 घंटे के हाई और लो को मार्क कर देंगे. ये 1 घंटे का जो हाई और लो है ना, ये अपनी ओपनिंग रेंज बन जाएगी, which is like in this case of Nifty, this is the high and this is the low of the first 1 hour. If you see, ठीक है, this is 10:15, correct. So this is the high and low of the first 1 hour. So this is how you mark the high and low of the first 1 hour, and based on the opening range, you can take decisions whether you want to trade the range or whether you want to take the breakout trading, right? So yes, this is on how to mark the range. So this was one question which was very common on my Telegram, Instagram, and all the handles. So now, without wasting much time, let us move forward to the stocks. The first stock on my radar is Marico. Again, a very interesting stock. First, we always look at the stock on a daily time frame, Right. So if you look at the stock on a daily time frame, what do you see? Over the last 5 days, you're talking about the last 5 days, you see the closing of the stock has been around this range only, which means the stock has been consolidating. It has been consolidating in a very, very tight range. और अब हमने क्या करना है, हमने जाना है छोटी टाइम फ्रेम में और एक डिसीजन बनाना है कि हम इसमें शॉर्टिंग ट्रेड अगर लेंगे तो हम कहां पे लेंगे. तो बहुत सिंपल है गाइस, अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे इसने बहुत अच्छा कंसोलिडेशन भी दिया है. It has given a very good consolidation at this point of time. So what we'll do is we'll simply mark the area from where we want to go short. So this is going to be our shorting area, which is 500, around 500. Our stop loss is going to be above this retracement, which is 502. So we are getting a very, very small stop loss. So as soon as it is triggered, we will enter and we want the market to open flat. If it opens with a gap down, again, understand gap up, gap down scenarios are very, very profitable, especially gap up scenarios, right? They are very, very profitable. So how to enter into that? We have to go for some gap up, gap down patterns. But for that, I will be making a video later on. For now, let's move on to the next stock. The next stock on my radar is SBI Life Insurance. Correct. Now, again, a very interesting structure happening over here. First, let's go to daily time frame, because this is one stock where I'm going to give you both the views, that is long view as well as short view. Correct. So let's go over here. This was an area from where the market went up. So it is a crucial demand zone and now the market is trading at the demand zone. So obviously there is going to be a confusion कि हम यहाँ long जाए कि short जाए, और इसलिए इस बार मैं आपको दोनों व्यू देने वाला हूँ. लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट दोनों लेवल हम मार्क करेंगे और हम ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं हम ये भी समझेंगे. ठीक है. So let's do it guys over here. Now this is an area of support, right? So इसके नीचे हमने बेचना है और अगर आप देखोगे तो ये हो गया आपका एक रेजिस्टेंस. तो इस लेवल के ऊपर आपने खरीदना है. बहुत सिंपल है. अगेन आई विल मार्क द लेवल्स. बिलो दिस लेवल यू वांट टू शॉर्ट, above this level you want to go long. Stop loss will be the parallel ranges on either side. So बहुत simple है. Again, very few stocks in which I give both the views, but when it is necessary, when a stock is trading at a crucial area, ये जरूरी हो जाता है. ठीक है, ये क्या हो जाता है, जरूरी. अब हम चलते हैं दूसरे स्टॉक में. अगेन दिस इज माय फेवरेट स्ट्रक्चर विच इज डबल इनसाइडर बार. क्या है स्ट्रक्चर? डबल इनसाइडर बार. तो डबल इनसाइडर बार बेसिकली क्या होता है, हमने इसको हमारे पिछले सेशन में भी समझा था, जहां पे क्या होता है कि एक दिन की रेंज है. ठीक है. सेकेंड दिन भी स्टॉक स्टेज इनसाइड दिस रेंज. Third day also we have the stock staying inside the range of the first candle. So this is called as a double insider bar. So if you look over here, this was an insider bar. This one over here, again we have an insider bar. So good amount of consolidation. Again, the closing of the last 5 days has been over here. Now most probably we can see a W pattern formation over here. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame and see what we can do in this stock. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. थोड़ा सा हम zoom out कर लेते हैं. अगर आप देखोगे तो यहां से अगर ये ब्रेकआउट देता है, so we will get a very good long opportunity above these levels. Correct. So हमने यहाँ पे long जाना है और ये हमारा stop loss रहेगा for now. But if tomorrow the stock opens flat and then gives a breakout, then obviously we will get a smaller stop loss. Correct. So the stop loss depends on how the market will open tomorrow, right? Because it is not given a closing directly or exactly at its day high. So ये है हमारा आज का एनालिसिस. आई होप आपको काफी पसंद आया होगा. बहुत सिंपल तरीके से हम धीरे धीरे ग्रो कर रहे हैं. और हाँ, बस यही है आज के लिए. मेक श्योर यू लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स जिनको स्टॉक सिलेक्शन में दिक्कत होती हो. सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को और टेलीग्राम पे ज्वाइन हो जाइए अगर आपको लाइव मार्केट में ऑप्शंस सीखना है तो. इसी के साथ आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. आई विल बी सीइंग यू टुमारो. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.